This is my Osborne 1 entry for the Vintage Computer Racing Leibnitz Estimation of Pi race number 1. I've written a version of the program in Microsoft Basic for CPM, and I've used double precision variables. I test for completion by left shifting the current value and truncating it. That gets compared to a variable that I've already set by left shifting pi. Here's the run. I've turned off all program output to keep display routines from slowing it down. It's running to 3-digit places. While that's running in the background, here's a little bit more about the Osborne. This was a groundbreaking early portable. It came out in 1981. This particular one is a facelift model that was made in around 1982. The hardware was quite high spec for the time, except perhaps for that display. The Osborne 1 uses a Zilog Z80A 8-bit processor. It's clocked at 4 MHz. There are also 64 kilobytes of RAM. It has two 5¼ inch diskette drives. Originally, these were single-sided, single-density. Mine's had an upgrade to double-density. The one on the right's often argumentative. I'm told that you need to be wary of the motherboard edge connectors for the diskettes as they don't wear well. This machine has also got a plastic filmed capacitor transplant in the power supply. It's not the first portable computer, though it's often called that. It might be the first to be a practical traveling computer, though, since it was sold with a full suite of software, and that suite included 2 versions of BASIC, an assembler, spreadsheet, word processor, and a bunch of utilities. The system is ruggedized so that it doesn't need a big padded bag. It was famously designed to fit under an airline seat. Just be prepared for the idea of a 30-pound suitcase as the definition of portable. Final outcome is 3 decimal places in 82.1 seconds. The last value of the divisor is 3,375, and the last estimate of pi was 3.141,000,937,665,276.